Guys, a quick one on the FastEarn app. In this video, I quickly want to show you how much I've earned so far on this project. I mean USDT that I've accumulated on this project. So this is the support team. My first payment was made on the 16th. Let me quickly show you. All right, so this was the message I received on the 16th of June this very month. Say you have successfully reviewed your referral data. 23 users bound to your referral code, in total of whom 15 have been active in the past 4 days. So the base reward is calculated at 15 valid users times 0.5. That means one person I earn $15. So times that 15, that's $7.5. In addition, your video has received over 120 views, so we are adding another 7.5 USDT as a video bonus. That's 15 USDT in total. We are sending the payment now. It should arrive within 10 minutes, and that's how I received the money and I confirmed it. So I just wanted to watch this video before I show you how much I earned the second time. This is the video I made.
This is unbelievable, guys. Check out my first earnings on the FastEarn app. About a week ago, I introduced you to UBI mining, Universal Basic Income, and shared how I've been mining this project. Right now, my account is only on level 2, and I already have something exciting to show you. I previously created a step-by-step tutorial explaining exactly how to get started. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, and I'll also pin it in the comment section so you can follow the complete guide. Now let's talk about my first payout. Yesterday, I received my first cash out, and you can see the breakdown right on the screen. So far, I've invited 23 referrals. I haven't been very active, yet I still earned from the activities of my referrals. From that alone, I received about $750. In addition, the tutorial video I created generated over 120 views, which earned me another $7.50. That brings my total earnings to $15 for my first payout cycle. Guess what? Payment was sent to my Bybit exchange ASAP. What this tells me is simple. The more active users you bring in and the more you contribute, the more you can potentially earn. The team currently pays ambassadors every 7 days based on qualifying activities within the ecosystem. If you'd like to become an ambassador too, I can help you get started. Just send me a message on WhatsApp using the number displayed on your screen. I'll add you to the community and show you how to position yourself early in this project. Don't forget to get app from Play Store or App Store, and the referral code is INVITED. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the full tutorial link.
Alright, so that's that about the first payout. Alright, so if you pay attention while you watch that video, you could see some of my data, like the amount of UBI I have mined so far. So on the 26th, which is day before yesterday, today is 28th, the first day, I was supposed to receive my payment, so I quickly sent my data to them. So, but it wasn't online. The so they were bug that they were trying to fix on the app. So they now replied me today. All right, so after 48 hours they replied me and they gave a review. So the last time you had 23 level 1 referrals, and now you have grown to 72. That's awesome. Why won't I put in the effort when I was paid for the first time? So that first time was just a test if I will get paid. So immediately I saw that I got paid, I doubled my effort. I said a net increase of 49 people. After review, we found about 9 of them are cheating or both. I don't know why that 9 people are cheating or both. I can't really give account on that. So we are settling based on 40 valid users at 0.5 USDT each, totaling 20 USDT plus 5 USDT bonus. I don't know why, but the video I did, let me quickly show you the video. I'm not going to play it. I just want to show you the views. All right, so here's the video. It has 169 views, so I'm supposed to receive something like 7.5 USDT. However, the bonus I received was just $5 in addition, so I made a total of 20 USDT. All right, so 15 will be sent to your wallet. So to this wallet I provided, that's my Bybit wallet. which I have received. You can see it on my screen. Let me quickly show you the, what is it called? You can see it here. So deposit amount 15 USDT. So I've received that, will be sent to your wallet, and 10 USDT will be credited to your in-app account. The withdrawal feature is expected to go live within the next 2 weeks. You will be able to request a withdrawal then. Through there may be some limits on frequency and amount. Rest assured the withdrawal function will work as intended. I will give you an additional 400 UBI reward as a gift. I can tell you only this 400 UBI is enough for me, even if they didn't even give me the USDT. Why? Because of the utility that is being tied to this project. All right, so I'm able to earn USDT from this platform because I am an influencer. So if you want to be an influencer, I can also if you have community and you want to influence this project, I can also introduce you and you'll be in the league. This is our group chat. All right, so this is the official group chat of FastEarn App, and this is my own personal group that I introduced to the community, and it was approved. Welcome to El David team. I have about 194 people. So this is the official chat. You can see their post. All right, so they give update for those who are influencing the project, and they keep on posting reward. So for those who earn, you keep on, you can go and chat here, ask questions about the app, post your feedback, whatever is happening. So we are building with them and we are earning. All right, so if you have community, you can also influence this project. And let me show you, $10 was sent to my wallet. Let me show you what I've earned from the in-app. So very soon withdrawal feature will be available. So when I click on, you can see the USDT coupon. I have about $11. I already had $1.1 before now, so they now add extra $10. So for the UBI point, I was having 186 UBI. They added 400, making a total of 500. Do you know what it takes to mine even one UBI? But now I've been able to accumulate a whoopee sum of 586.2674 UBI. This is awesome. This is progress. This is hard work. All right, so if I click on the referral earning, you can see I have a cash out of 11.1 USDT. Immediately in 2 weeks time, the feature will be live. I'm going to be able to withdraw this $11, and I also have extra $9.1 that I received from my referrals activity. All these will be unlocked in due time. You can see the breakdown of everything and how I earn from each of the referral, their names and everything here. All right, so this is how the project literally work. All right, I've made videos on how to mine this in case you're interested in mining it. All right, and you are not an influencer, you can still mine this project and accumulate the token. In the description, I'm going to leave all the data you need for the registration. And also, if you want to be an influencer, ensure you chat me up on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number will be on the screen. Just chat me up. No matter where you are around the world, no matter your country, there is no limit to wherever you are, in as far as you have community. Chat me up, register, use my link, my referral code invited. Right, so once you get on board, chat me up, then I will add you to the influencers group, where you can start any USDT every 10 days. So you get cash out every 10 days from each of your referrals that you refer within that period. All right, so see you in my next video. If this is your first time following El David Network, ensure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification bell for more for subsequent updates in regards to FastEarn App. Thank you.